Welcome to the 2020 AXIA Solar Awards. The AXIA Solar Awards recognize and celebrate companies and individuals that have contributed to promoting and advancing the African solar market. IFC had the great honor of being on this year's award panel. At IFC, we believe solar power and technology is not only a great investment opportunity, but also a critical energy source that will help connect more people and expand the continent's energy mix. We've seen this with our Scaling Solar program and the work we're doing to tap into the mini-grid opportunity. With about half of sub-Saharan Africa's population lacking access to electricity, we need more investment like the examples we saw in this year's application group to reach universal access. Competition in this year's award submissions was tough. We received many applications showcasing innovative ideas and initiatives companies are implementing across Africa to help to meet the region's large power demand, more sustainably and more affordably. The applications were evaluated for their scale of impact and replicability. On behalf of the jury, I would like to thank all the candidates and the winners again for their incredible work to support a more connected and sustainable Africa. Together we can turn the lights on for more people. Thank you.
Not all of them, they are not here. So thank you to the team and much more to our technicians who are the one always battling on the roof, doing a lot of work. So thank you very much for this award. We are so happy, and we really thank the team. This is a teamwork. We are happy, and I don't have words to express it, but I need also to thank all our partners. We are working a lot with REC, the National Electricity Company, so we thank them for their support. We are working also with Energy Private Developer Association, and also thanks to them we can really syndicate, we can be together and defend our right and promote the clean energy in Rwanda. Thanks to them. Thanks to all other stakeholders that we cannot mention, all the customers, everyone who are helping us in this task. Not only I mentioned the technical team, but also all the team, the human resource, the engineers, the administration, everyone is here, and really we thank all of the people. We have also other kind of partners. We really thank them. Yeah, definitely we are so happy. We don't have words to express ourselves. So again, thank you, and we are really ready to do more, to improve our work, and to be the best in the energy sector. Thank you. Yeah.